Welcome back. Today is day 5 in identifying reasons. Our standard is RI 3.8 with prompting and support. Identify the reasons an author gives to support points in a text. So today we are going to practice supporting our own points. So we were talking about the article on eating healthy. So today we are going to think about a healthy food that we like to eat, and then we are going to tell reasons to support that idea. So you are going to think in your head for a few moments, what type of healthy food do I like to eat? So remember from the article, healthy foods are fruits or vegetables. They're usually colorful. They have nutrients and minerals. They do not have a lot of fat, sugar, or salt. So in the background on the screen, I have lots of different types of healthy foods. So you can choose one of those, or you can choose one that's not on there that you know is healthy. And think about why you like that food. So you are going to post your response in Flipgrid and make sure you post 1, 2, or 3 reasons why you like the healthy food you chose. I can't wait to see your responses, and remember, you can respond to your classmates as well. Have a great day.